Hello everyone, I am Amritha from Srinivas Institute of Technology, first year CSE. My topic is alerting sensor for vehicle. By introducing this sensor technology, we can ensure vehicle safety as well as our safety. So this sensor senses the other vehicles which are coming with the high speed, especially which is not controlled. So you can see the diagrammatic idea of this module is here. So now let's know about these models working. So first, consider you are going on a car or any other vehicle. You are in a normal speed, but the other vehicle which is coming in front or behind you has high speed, especially which is uncontrollable. So that time, this sensor will help you by alerting messages like a vehicle is coming in front or behind you has like 100 km per hour speed. So these kind of alerts will help you to protect from that vehicle. So from this model we can get some advantages like it helps to ensure vehicle safety, driver safety, it reduce accident rates, and it also helps to save roads from crashing. So this all about my topic. Thank you.